Google Trends tutorial for keyword research, how to find niches on Google Trends. Hello guys, Ilya here, and in this video I'm going to show you how can you find different keywords on Google Trends using Google Trends. Basically, it's pretty easy. Just follow the steps I do to not make any mistakes. So in order to get to this service, we need to input in the search bar Google Trends and then just go to website trends.google.com. Basically the first website here, so it will be easy for you to get there. So Google Trends is a website by Google that analyzes the popularity of top search queries in Google search across various regions and languages. The website uses graph to compare the search volume of different queries over time. So it's pretty helpful for us to find different keywords we are going to do, to find different niches, to recognize do they popular right now across our people. So basically, if we go to website, the navigation will look like this. So basically, nothing really like hard. We have like the search bar here. In this search bar, all we need is just to input the niche we want to check for the trend. So let's try to basically get started. Let's input something simple like YouTube. And basically, we can choose it right up here, like YouTube, MP3, music. Basically, there are a lot of opportunities and a lot of suggestions, but let's search for YouTube. And what can we see here? We can see the simple navigation bar and different settings we can change. So what is interesting is that we can change the country we want to search for. So now it's like Belarus, so let's change it to the worldwide. It means that we'll check the popularity across the world. After that, we need to set the duration of our analytics. I'd like to suggest to use at least past 30 days, maybe past 90 or past 12 months. So it's for the year. And what can we find here? It's from the April 2022 to the March 2023. And we can see that the popularity of the YouTube is pretty stable. It's 100. Near 100. If we'll scroll down for a little, we can find the interest by region. So the most popular YouTube searches about Myanmar, Ethiopia, Cambodia, Venezuela, Pakistan. If you want, we can of course just choose any single region we want to check. For example, for the United States, the search interest is 41, not that high basically. For the Canada is 47, Russia is only 11. So basically, this search is pretty popular, but not in all the countries. Also, we can find the related topics. For example, YouTube Shorts topic. It means, look at this. It was the popularity was increased and audio file format also. So we can try to search for YouTube search. And we can see that basically the interest is become higher and higher, which is pretty cool. It means this is the good niche to start with, for example, with this one. But what if we need to find some niches, maybe to sell some products, maybe with Shopify or some other stuff? We can also do it. Simply, we need to input the name of the of the product we want to sell. Let it be swimming pool, for example. Basically, let it be something like this: swimming pool, worldwide, past 12 months, all categories, and web search. We can also basically change from web search to image search, news search, Google Shopping, and YouTube search. And what is interesting is that for the last year, the popularity was not that stable. As you can see, from October to March, it was 30. And from the April to August, it was increasing and then decreasing. Basically, what does it mean? It means that at the time of the summer, the swimming pool are pretty popular product. People search for. They are going to buy it. They're going to use it. So if you're interested in selling some stuff, it will be better for you to start somewhere here and to stop somewhere here, or maybe even here in the July. So you can start to maybe sell them in the April and then just stop to sell them in the July. I think it's pretty cool that we can analyze our product popularity like this. If we scroll down, we can find that there is huge popularity interest in France, Spain, Belgium, Portugal, New Zealand, pretty high in United States, in Canada. Also like related topic here and related queries. Yeah, so if we'll try to compare it with something, we can do it, of course. For example, we can compare it with like, let's try to compare it with something which is popular in maybe in winter. So let's try to write like new year, maybe. Maybe it will be like the opposite. Yeah, as you can see, the like new year popularity is pretty high at the December, and then it's like almost zero. So totally different products we need to sell, for example, in the new year. And like if you want to say like sell like swimming pool, what can we also do is that we can click on trending now, and we can click on some countries we want to search for. For example, let it be like, I don't know, let it be like Italy maybe. And what is pretty popular in Italy now is like Stormy Daniels, Scream, Massimo Guelti, Sofia Georgia, Jobazali. Let's try to explore what is popular in United States maybe. Let's try to find like United States here, and like Trump indictment, MLB, Red Sox, Phillies, Cubs, and so on. So also pretty helpful if we need to find some popular topics right now in the necessary country. We can also explore topics here. We can try to write something. Let's try to write maybe football. Let's try to watch what will happen here. It will lead us to explore section, and we can find that football was really popular at the time of the World Cup, basically, and now it's not that popular. So on this page here, also related topics and related queries. So the Google Trends, as you can see, is really strong service to help us to find different like trending topics, to compare the popularity of different products. I just suggest you to try to use it by yourself, so you can just input it in Explore team and try to search for something. For example, let's try to search for Canva. Canva is a popular website to create design. We can see that it was really stable, pretty stable. Let's try to compare like YouTube and TikTok, maybe TikTok. So let's check the popularity. As you can see, in the worldwide, it was like not that like high. So let's try to check it for the all the time. We can see that the popularity of YouTube was increasing, and the TikTok was appeared only like here. So of course YouTube is like much more popular now all over the world. So basically this is a way of how can we use Google Trends to compare different topics and to find keywords, to find niches. Hope this video helped you out. If it is, please leave a like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions, you can write them in the comments below. I wish you a very good day and goodbye.